Hey, Jason, thank you. Now we turn to Grand Rapids, where the retrial for the men charged with plotting to kidnap Governor Gretchen Whitmer is now in the hands of the jury.
Closing arguments wrapped up this morning, so deliberations underway. We bring in Sean Lay, who's live in Grand Rapids. Has the jury gone home for the day yet? We've hit 5 o'clock here now, Sean.
The judge just brought that jury into the courtroom just now and is dismissing them until tomorrow. It's been pins and needles, however, since noon when the judge gave the jury this case today. Even lawyers I'm talking to here involved in the case had no idea if this jury would come back early with a verdict or not. Remember last time in the spring, we waited about 5 days for a verdict. So the jury is wrapped up for today. Watching it all today, a man from Auburn Hills, his name is Daniel Harris. You'll remember he is one of the defendants from last spring when he was acquitted in this case. How's it feel to be out? That is Daniel Harris from Lake Orion. He was one of the men who was accused of plotting to kidnap Governor Whitmer. In fact, a meeting about the alleged plot was held at his Lake Orion home. But as you can see, he's a free man. Last spring, a jury found him not guilty. His attorney telling us why Harris is back here at federal court in Grand Rapids today, as two men from the group he belonged to, the Wolverine Watchmen, face a second trial. Adam Fox and Barry Croft, now awaiting their fate.
He wanted to show support to Adam and Barry. He thought it was important that he be here and that they knew that he was still supporting them and he was still out here, and obviously to support Chris and Karen and Josh in their defense and the whole team.
What is he doing with his life?
He's at home with his parents. He just won a softball church league and, looking at going to school in the fall. So he's just just trying to get back to normal.
A jury could not decide if Fox and Croft were guilty last time. This time, it's a new jury, a shorter trial. All evidence focused only on Fox and Croft.
It's a totally different jury, totally different set of facts and circumstances. Again, I think Chris and Karen and Josh really presented a strong defense. The government, presented their case. I'm hopeful that the jury will see the case for what it is.
Back here live, no verdict, however, from that jury. They're headed home bright and early, 8:30 sharp tomorrow morning. They will begin their deliberations again. We'll have that covered for you. Guys, important to point out here, there was two issues raised by the defense about two members of this jury. There was some speculation that Judge Yonker here in Grand Rapids would remove them, put alternates in. He left the jury as is. The alternates are in a different part of the building. The jury's in the jury room. Back at it tomorrow with the same jury as what they started with. Back to you.
A couple of ways we always try to read the jury weather vane here, Sean. Any questions for the judge today from the jury? Anything come in?
We were waiting for any word from them, even a lunch order, and there was not a peep, Devin. And even the defense attorneys just walked by a moment ago said it is very, very quiet right now. No questions at all this time. We'll have to wait and see if they have any questions or get right to a verdict tomorrow.
Fascinating. We'll keep on it. All right, Sean.